Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Guru. Hope you subscribe my channel for easy learning. So here we go with further concepts of JavaScript. So today I'll let you know how to use Firebug. Firebug is a very interesting developer tool which is provided within your browser. This allows you to edit your code within the browser. So let me show you how to use it. Instead of Firebug, you have many developer tools, which the one which you get as an inbuilt one. So when you right click on your web page, you get some options. In that you can click on inspect element. So this is a developer tool. So in case, I'll just show you a simple example what is the basic need of this developer tool. So if I click on this div, I can see something like width, height, background color, margin left, margin top, and all this. So if I want to increase or set some width of this div, I want to remodify it. So I just start increasing the width from here. I feel this width is fine and okay. So then I copy this width from here and paste it into my original file. So not only this, here you find a console. In this you can edit any of your JavaScript code as well as find some errors if any. So here it says some bootstrap JavaScript requires jQuery, this error, and some other some character encoding errors. So this is a inbuilt developer tool which is provided by Firefox or any other browser. So here is the inspect element with Firebug which we have installed in our previous video. So I just right clicked and clicked on it. So it gives me this. So let me just click on console because currently we are dealing with JavaScript. So here it says console is disabled. Let me enable it. And here it comes. So here is a space where I type. So let me just type 1 and enter. So if I say 1, it says 1. So let me just type 1 plus 2. So it gives the output as 3. So let me move further. 3 plus some x number. So it gives me 250. So the first thing that we need to learn while programming is variable. So it's nothing but a container which stores values in it and is used whenever needed. So let me tell about variable in detail. So variable is nothing but a container which stores value in it. So it stores a value and it is used whenever needed. So there are certain rules and regulations when you write a variable. So it particularly starts with a prefix var. So you can write something like var x equal to 10. So this 10 we are assigning it to a variable named x. So it particularly starts with an alphabet or underscore, and it doesn't start with a number but can include a number. So we can write something like var x or abcd 10 or var new 2 or something like that, but it cannot start with a number like var 2x, var 3x, something like that. And moreover, variables are loosely typed, so we need not specify any data types like character, integer, or something that we use in Java or C++. And moreover, a variable is a case sensitive. So you pretty well understand about what is case sensitive. So let's just move on and learn something practically about variables. So here is my console. So just not to overreact. So I'm giving this practical examples in the console itself. So let's move on. So here I'm giving var x equal to 1. So it says undefined. So and then just let me give x. So here what do you understand by this? So var x equal to 1. So x is undefined. So here when you type x again, this 1 is assigned to x. Then when you type x, it says 1. So let me give something like var x equal to 2. Then let me see the value of x. It's changed to 2. So let me give something like var x equal to 4 and var y equal to 8. And then I give var x plus y. It says 12, so 8 plus 4 is 12. So now I guess you understand what is the need of variable. It's just a container. So x is a container which stores this value and y is a container which stores this value. And you can use this, you can access this container in which you store the variables, in which you store the values, and you can get the output. So let me use some string. So var name equal to var name equal TechGuru. It says undefined and I say name. So it returns back me the name TechGuru. So let me give some alert. Oh, sorry. So let me give some alert. Hi. Alert. Hi. And here I use the variable that I've declared previously. So here it says hi TechGuru. I have not given a space between hi and tech, so it says hi TechGuru. So let me give it properly. Alert. So hi. And let me give a space inside this plus name, which is a variable. So it says hi TechGuru. So you just click on OK. And so with this, I think we got clear-cut view of what is a variable. Now that we are clear what a variable is, let's move on to types. So types, now that is a very important word to remember. So in JavaScript, there are two types of data types to hold different types of values. One is primitive data type and the other one is non-primitive data type. So let's see what is the classification in between these two. So in primitive data types, we have 5 types. One is number, string, boolean, undefined and null. So number, we write number like var length equal to 16. So unlike in languages like C, C++, Java, we use for number we use integer, string, those types of data types. So here we specify var length equal to 16, or there will be many other. And string we use something like this, var last name equal to web school. So this is something predefined, a user defined name. So here we can give any name, either last name or first name or any other name. So this inside the string there's a string name, web code school or any other thing. And apart from this we have boolean, which carries only two values, one is true and the other one is false. So var x equal to true, and either we can say var y equal to false. So the other one is undefined, so it's just var person. So here is a variable in which we have the variable which is named as person, so it is undefined. And null is something which is given like this, var person equal to null, so this variable name is changeable. And next, going to non-primitive data types, we have array, object and regular expression. So array will have var.js or any other variable, and inside which we have some set of characters or numbers or whatnot. And object, so inside object we have something like first name and last name, and to first name and last name there are things which are hooked up to it. So first name it says web code and last name it says school. So JavaScript is an object-based language. So a JavaScript program can create and use objects of existing types provided for it, but cannot create new types of objects. So therefore it's clear that it's not object-oriented programming language like Java. So let's move on to what is a regular expression. So we can create some regular expressions like where this is a user defined variable name, and this expression enclosed within these slashes is called pattern. So we can create any pattern based upon our requirement, which we'll get to know in the further sessions. So here it says AB plus C, so we have some expression created here. So these are JavaScript data types. So now let's get into practical mode. So let me show you something on types. So let me type var x equal to 3, and x plus 3 gives me 3 plus 3 6, because this 3 value is stored into x. And now var x equal to 30, and now let me say x plus 10. It says 30 10 because here to the variable x I have given a string. This is no more considered as a number. So when I typed x plus 10, it just hooked this 30 to the variable to the number 10. So this is not a number anymore. This just takes as a string rather than a number. So let me also try var y equal to 30, and let me say y plus 10. So this says 40, whereas in this case, because of these string declaration, it says 30 10. Whereas here I've just given var y equal to 30, it says y plus 10 equal to 40. So now let me show you some more basic commands, and you're free to create a basic program for yourself. So let me show what is prompt. So you have typed something wrong. It says this is the right way to do. And moreover, when you start typing, it gives some suggestions here, so you can follow those things. This is the easiest way to learn JavaScript, but while going on in my other videos, I'll show you a JavaScript with HTML. So let me say prompt. So it prompted me some box where I can type something JavaScript and say enter. So it has shown the same thing which I've entered in that text box. So let me just move on. Let me just say var name equal to prompt. It says reference error. So what is the error? Prompt is not defined. I've given some spelling mistakes. So whatever the error is, you can easily understand with this developer tool Firebug. So let me give the right one, var name equal to prompt, and just enter. So let me give some name, JavaScript, and now this prompt value is stored in this name. So let me just display name. So it says JavaScript. Let me use some other example, var name equal to prompt. So I'll say Tech Guru this time. Now let me ask what is name. So it says Tech Guru here. Now var name equal to prompt. So I'll give some name Jaya, and now let me alert that particular name. So I'll say alert, name. So the variable that I've used here, I'm alerting the same variable. So what I've prompted here in this box will be displayed in this alert. So let me just click on enter. It says Jaya. So this is what I've typed when the prompt box is prompted. So let me just click on OK and move on. So when I just say var name equal to prompt, it just prompt me an empty box. So there is nothing here. What is it asking? So what does it need? What is the input that it exactly needs? So to know that, you'll have to give some message there to display. So you'll type something like var name equal to prompt, and you'll give your message here. What is your first name? So let me say please subscribe. Yeah. Now let me again say var last name equal to prompt. What is your last name? So it asks me what is your last name. So previously when we just gave var name equal to prompt, it displayed an empty box. So you didn't know what is it asking you. So what is the web page asking you, what it exactly wants to communicate with you. So for that you'll display some message like this. So it asks you what is your last name. So let me type something like our channel Tech Guru. And now let me display it all together. I'll alert it saying name space plus, I'll not give a space here, and I'll give last name. Let me close this off and enter. So it says please subscribe our channel Tech Guru. So I missed some space somewhere. So let me give some space here before. So you do not type everything again, just press the top arrow on your keyboard and all the text is displayed again, and you can just modify. Let me check alert name and this last name. So let me just click on enter. So here we go. So here it says please subscribe our channel Tech Guru. So it's pretty easy and simple. And now that you're all set to write your first basic JavaScript program, so before going on to my next video, try creating a basic web page based on alerts and prompt boxes or any other thing which you are familiar with, asking some user specific information who enter your website, like I did here in my web page that I have shown a demo to you right now. So thank you, and please keep watching my videos on Tech Guru, and please do subscribe. Thank you.